and welcome to this vlog. This vlog is a ride from nice toll gate to Kunagula Betta, which is organized by WheelsnBags. Thanks to WheelsnBags. And this is a special ride. We are with 18 VIs, each as a pillion. As a rider, it's our job to take them from nice toll gate to the trekking point, and from the star base of the trekking point to the summit, from summit back and to the breakfast point. After that, wherever they want to be dropped off, which is
ಬೈಕ್ ನಂಗೆ ಶಾಕ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಓಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ
ಅವರು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಬಂದು ಬ್ರೋ wait right stay there only there are like cabs we are crossing left slowly
the WheelsnBags guys organized this very well. They had multiple bikes carrying stuff for making tea or because they are including VIs here.
campsite small steps rock is there same come down wait hold take a foot
Amazing. It feels like we are at the top of the world. Maybe this is what people who trek to the top of the mountain feels like probably. We had a small community get together, just wanted to know how they paddled, what was their experience like, how confident were they to sit on a bike and trust their riders to get them home safe after.